Sorry about that disturbance. Share it as much as you can. Share this as possibly as much as you can, because you'll be saving yourselves or saving those that you love or that you claim to love. Because when these men come, to heal us, or when these men go to heal us for traditionally intervention on the situation they're faced with, you'll regret it if they can get the good motive. Men, they opt for the worst. I will give an advice on what should men do, but that is my opinion. And it cannot be a thing you go to definitely, that is what should happen. No. It's just a mere opinion to say, hey, how about you deal with this thing this way or this way? How about you do this? How about this? How about this? If I were to be asked that by a man, I'll give my opinion, which is not as worse as a man will want to do. And there's nothing you can do to stop a man who have now decided to deal with this thing traditionally. You cannot stop them. Gogo, I want her to lose her job. Gogo, I want her to be nothing in life. Gogo, I want to kill her. Gogo, there's a lot that people want to see happening. Gogo, I want her to change men left, right, and center. And I want her to get men that will abuse her. Gogo, I want her to get men that will use her. Gogo, I want this, I want this. Yeah. Because of that man is angry. That man is angry. Why is the man angry? Because of he knows very well. Remember, we're talking about the men who did good. He knows very well Uguti, they were doing good for the family. They know very well. Gogo, I've decided to move out of the house. Gogo, even if the children can suffer, it's Gogo, I want the worst for them and their children, and with her children, because of now the children are now acting childish and they are going with what their mother is saying or has said about me. Your child wanted to go on a trip. You don't have money. But the child is out on the trip. Why? Umalumu Spusiso paid. That Malumu Spusiso is a guy that has been claimed to we work together. No, he's just assisting me. A cruel woman will bring a man into your life with stories which no, it's Umalume, it's my brother, what, it's my cousin, it's what. Can't that man is sleeping with her. And the children, they know. That's why I would like to tell and advise women, stop breeding beasts out of your children. Stop breeding pit bulls out of your children. Because those pit bulls, they will bite you first. Trust me. Whatever you do, it's irrelevant how you feel about your husband, who is nothing anymore. Whatever you feel about your husband, but don't turn and breed your children to be against their father. Trust me. Trust me. Guys, I'm fortunate that I deal with these things almost every day. I'm not taking these things somewhere in the sky or I throw the bones. No. No. What I'm talking about, it doesn't come out of this. It is not your bones. I'm not saying Vumanibo, Amadozi Ati. No. It doesn't come from there. It comes from experience for things that I hear them from the horse's mouth to say, Gogo, this is a situation that I'm faced with. My children are turned against me. Gogo, my child, Gogo, listen to this. My child has called me a dog. Leave me alone, you dog. There's something that I want to tell you as well. And I'm talking to our sisters, our mothers, our wives, our girlfriends here. Your children will treat their father the way you treat their father. Your children will treat their father the way you treat their father. If you call your father a dog, your children will know that daddy has a new name now. Daddy's a dog. So this unstable house that you build on the heads of your children, while they are not fit to know other things, there are things that your children must not know about their father. It doesn't matter what. There's something that I'll always maintain. I will never speak ill about a woman that I have a child with. You can't. To a child, you can't. There are things that a child must not know, period. There are things that, those things, they are not meant for children. And we grew up like that. There are things that, this is for elders. Elders, they want to speak now. Please excuse us. Because we want to speak as elders. This thing of age restrictions on movies and everything, it's not there for nothing. It is there because of there are things that are not supposed to be seen by the children, to be heard by the children, to be spoken by children. Why do we take children and put them in this marriage rotten pudding and mix it together, and we want the children to fight? Why do we use children to fight for our battles? We need to teach our children to be able to respect their parents in the midst of mistakes that have been done by the parent. Why? Because we are grooming a husband for somebody. Period. You are grooming a husband for somebody. Men are being called names, are being stripped naked in front of their children by things that their mother are saying about them. For simple reason, today we are focusing on one reason. Let's not be there and there. We are focusing on reason that in the name of men becoming broke, what does happen? What happens? I will bring my opinion. It's a very short opinion. In the midst of these big problems that I'm talking about, this is what other men doing, this is what is happening in the society, this is what it is. There is a lot that is happening and it's heavy. Yasinda. Men bayasindelwa la ngaphandle. My opinion. 1, keep quiet, my brother. Keep quiet. Mkhulu. There's nothing as powerful. There's nothing as loud as keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't be, my brother, don't go on the same level as she is. It doesn't matter what insult she can give you. don't insult her back. And I have a reason for that. Because this is a mother of your children or of your child. So if you call this mother of your child a dog, a bitch, whatever insult you can call them, which means you are saying that your child is a puppy. If you really, 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 really love your children, my brother, Mkhulu, if you really, really love your children, you will never insult their mother back. And you are not trying to do or to build a case for yourself for the future. Uguti, you're going to tell your children, Uguti, "Man, I've never done this." No, you're doing it for yourself. The universe will speak for itself. Never insult your baby mama. Never. It doesn't matter how bitchy she can act or whatever. Never insult your wife. I'm telling you. You know, when you keep quiet, no one will say to you, but now ute, but now ute. And yeah, you remember you said this, you said this. Keep quiet. That's number one. I've got very few things to advise you with. Number two, stay out of the toxic relationship. Two things only. I'll give a bonus, or maybe third one. Number two, stay out of the toxic marriage and everything. If you see you're no longer having a value, you are being told how useless you are, leave. Leave. If it means go and start life emkhukhwini, or if it means go back home, it's fine. Drop abantu bazothini syndrome. It's not about them, it's for your inner peace. Leave. If there's a friend who can accommodate you, it's okay. And when you get into a friend, don't say anything about her. No, the relationship is no longer conducive for us and for children. Full stop. Leave. Leave. Why? The main reason for leaving such marriage, such home, it's because you'll be teaching your children not to stay in a toxic marriage in the sake of children. The true love that you can ever give your children is to leave that marriage. Because you'll be teaching your own blood, your own children, if the marriage is no longer conducive, if the marriage becomes toxic, there's insults. Because of now the mother have got a better man. Yeah? The man, there's a man now. To the picture. There's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. Hamba. Hey, Coco, I've paid so much for that house. The house will never bring you peace. Leave. Leave. I'm telling you, you'll be leaving your children with the best thing ever, because as soon as you leave, there will be peace in that house. Unless your woman is a graduate when it comes to being toxic, like on a doctorate, you'll be toxic. Then she will insult the children to say, you are doing this, you are stupid just like your father. You will never be good in anything in life because of your father. Have you ever been in such a situation? Have you ever heard that the children being compared with their father and everything? You will fail just like your father failed this relationship. You will be useless just like your father has lost everything, all the cars, the businesses, and everything. The child, leave her breathing that child to become a pit bull. And trust me, that child will bite her first. And because a child is a child, the child might be childish when they deal with you and want to bite you first, but you have an upper hand to say, no, 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 no. Wait there. Lapho, mana la ukhona. Last one, thirdly, my brother, when you leave that house to start afresh somewhere, and it happens that you bounce back, don't bounce back to prove a point, but bounce back and still be able to provide for your family. Because at the end of the day, those are your children. That is your house at the end of the day. If ever in the house you were paying a bond, you were paying for a roof of your children. I know many men will say, mina koko ngeke. I've told you, this is my own personal opinion. It's my opinion. However, there's a fourth one. After whatever. But the third one, don't be selfish. Don't prove her right ukuthi you are a dog. Show her ukuthi you have the love of the dog, because the dog is loyal. The dog is loyal. If you are paying for something, pay for it. If you are paying for school fees, definitely have her account, pay school fees. Until now you have smaller nyana money, do something. So that you are not like her. Become better. Still, number one, zip. Kia. Zip. Fourth one, where I say, however, do not fix that marriage. Do not fix that marriage. Don't give a toxic marriage a second chance, because it's going to destroy you. Do not fix that marriage. Again, you'll be teaching your children to say, if something is toxic, it will be toxic even tomorrow. Because now there'll be a twist. She's going to be sweet. She's going to be what. She's going to be what. She's going to be what. No. But if your opinion or you want to deal with her traditionally, that is up to you. Mina, I'm giving you something that will give you an inner peace. Something that you will live with the rest of your life. There's nothing toxic that you did. There's no voodoo that you sent to her. There's nothing bad that you did. The only thing that you did is to share shobasako. Leave. Leave. And never go back to that marriage. Simple. It's as simple as that. Don't give a toxic relationship another opportunity, because that person will come back and finish you off. Because when we do things, we don't think about our ancestors. So ancestors will say, have you to see now, Uguti Skhumbuzo, when we removed you from that marriage, when you stayed alone, we gave you a job. Are you aware that, Skhumbuzo? Sbusiso, are you aware of that? You understand? Sam or whoever, are you aware of that? Yes, I'm aware of that. Okay. So, Tina, we gave you a job that you couldn't get while you were still there. Tina, we gave you another source of income that you didn't get while you were still there. Now you want to go back and fix things. Go, we'll see. That's the language of ancestors. But yes, then you go back to that toxic marriage, and then they take things away from you yet again. And now, bouncing back to where you were the last time, it's even harder. because of you didn't believe in yourself or your ancestors. U-Andy Usha. Men are carrying a heavy load. I know women will hate this video because it touches others. It touches others. Because others, they are grandmothers today. They are doing something to their sons. Their sons who are married, using witchcraft for the son not to provide for the wife. We spoke about that one. And we spoke about this one as well. We still continue to talk about the other issues that are affecting us in the society. Sarwa Sendot. Till the next video. Thokozani.